How good is the broker FP Trading? Can you trust it or not? How high are the trading fees and what can you trade there? We will discuss everything in today's video. I've tested FP Trading for multiple months and in this video I will tell you all the pros and cons about this broker you need to know. So let's get started right away. First of all, I will tell you about the pros and cons of this broker. The pros are you got super tight spreads when you're trading there. The spreads are starting from 0.0 pips in forex and also indices, and commodities are super low in terms of spreads. I made a spread comparison here. We will discuss this later in today's video. But overall, the biggest advantage of this broker are the low spreads and low trading commissions. Another pro I found out is the leverage. You got leverage up to 500 and a high security status in this broker. You got a 1 million insurance for each client, plus an independent regulator here, which also insures you up to 20k. So you have double insurance basically for each client. Plus, this broker is regulated multiple times. They are regulated here 4 times. And they will bring up more regulators very soon. They have here the FSA, FSRA, FSCA, and FSC in Mauritius. So 4 times regulated broker. You can trade here with the MetaTrader 4, 5, C-Trader, and even on TradingView. So these are the core pros of the broker. If you want to trade there, it's definitely a good choice for cheap discount trading in forex, indices, and more assets. But we will discuss this in detail later. What are the disadvantages, the negatives here of this broker? I found out that, for example, cryptocurrencies are not tradable 24/7. They are only tradable 24/5. This is, for the most trader, a minor con, but for me, it's basically a big con because I often trade cryptocurrencies on the weekend. But honestly, this is the only disadvantage I found out on this broker. I tested this broker with real money, deposited over 20k in this broker and tested it with big volume trades, and I'm still satisfied. But let's go through the core features of this broker, which is important to know here. We got the tight spreads. They advertise it here on the main website. We got high leverage and 1 million insurance, which is quite good. Then we have an AI. Personally, I don't use this AI, but it can analyze your results and can give you tips what you can do better in trading. So this is an additional offer here. This FP Trading is a full ECN broker. They work together with multiple liquidity providers. You see them here, and they offer you a quite good execution of all your trades and high liquidity. So you can do big orders without any problem and without any slippage on this broker here. I already told you about the platforms here, and you can trade over 10,000 different markets like forex, shares here, you see it, metals, commodities, and some more. Payment methods, typical normal, creditor, cards, crypto, bank wire, all the methods are available here. Basically, these are the core features of the broker, but let's go through the account types here. FP Trading is offering 2 different account types, the standard account and the raw account. You mostly know this from other brokers. I recommend you to use the raw account always because you save up to 40% in trading fees. Go with the raw account. And here you see the minimum deposit is $100. You have spreads from 0.0 pips. You have high leverage, ECN pricing, plus you have a commission if you choose the raw account. This is the main difference between the raw and the standard account. The standard account, it doesn't charge you any commissions in trading, only a spread. And here on the raw account, it charges you commissions per side. So per half turn, you trade 1 lot, you pay $3 in commissions. You trade 0.01 lot, you only pay 3 cents in commissions. The raw account is definitely cheaper. I will show you this in a second in my trading platform. You save more money by choosing this account because the spreads are super low, and if you calculate it, it's always cheaper to use the 0.0 pips spread account without the spread. Because 1 pip spread, it costs more than $3 commissions. If you want to save more money on the commissions on FP trading, you can click in the link in the description below or scan this QR code here. There you will get a discount on all the commissions you are paying on FP trading. You get a discount of 50 cents per side. So you pay only $2.5 per one lot if you are using this link in the description below or scan this QR code here. So definitely use it if you want to trade there and save additional money. So let me teaser you the spreads here. They are extremely low. If we will start with the euro dollar. Where is it? Here's the euro dollar. You see the euro dollar currently is dropping. Very nice. Here you see the spreads are from 0.0 pips, 0.1 pips on FP trading in the euro dollar. But most of the brokers, they're offering these tight spreads on the euro dollar. It's nothing special. But if you go to the other currency pairs like the pound US dollar, you see we have super narrow spreads too. Here's a 0.1, 0.2 pip spread. Australian dollar, here you see the spread. The spread is 0.2, 0.1. We are going to the US dollar, Japanese yen. Here we have a spread from 0.3, 0.1. We go to the euro pound. Euro pound, also super low. We have here a spread from 0.1, 0.0 on the euro pound. We go to the pound US dollar. Pound US dollar, also very low. Here you see the spreads 0.1 pips. So in like all the major currency pairs, you have around 0.1, 0.2 pips spread, which is super low. If we go to the Bitcoin here, you see the spread is around $10. It's nothing. It's super cheap. US 500, my favorite asset to trade. We have here a spread from 0.25. This is only one tick. It's cheap like futures. If we go here to the WTI, to the Earl chart, here you see super low spreads. And I will show you gold, which is also very popular among traders. Gold, here you see the spreads. It's super narrow. I made a comparison here. Let me show this to you. Compared it to other brokers, some popular brokers here like Black Bull, GBE, 2 brokers, this is enough. And you directly see the difference. You see the spreads is super low. For example, the DAX 0.5. Yeah. On the other brokers, you have double spread in the DAX, 1 point. Okay. You have here gold, super cheap compared. WTI, super cheap. You have the US dollar, Japanese yen, the same. Black Bull a little bit cheaper, but yeah. Pretty much the same, but here US dollar, Canadian dollar 0.3. Here on Black Bull a bit cheaper, but here on GBE higher. S&P 500 super cheap, definitely. So for all the indices trader on FP trading, you got the lowest spreads possible. And I compared this broker to many brokerages on FP trading. Definitely the spread is the lowest. They are very competitive, especially for indices trading, for crypto trading, and for commodities. The spreads are super low. And if you see this here, told you before, you get a commission rebate, a discount of 50 cents. If you are clicking in the description below on this link or just scan this QR code, you can save some money. If you are a high volume trader, you save over 10,000 of US dollar per month by using this discount. And so overall, compared to all the brokers out there, FP trading is really the cheapest one. And as you saw here, these are the live spreads. This is a live trading account which I'm using on FP trading. Live spreads directly from the market, and it also has huge liquidity. If you're going to the account dashboard, it typically looks like this. Here you see my live accounts. I have a MetaTrader 5 and a TradingView account with them. You can open multiple accounts here. And if you like, you can open a free demo account. These demo accounts, they are basically unlimited if you are using them. So you can try out this broker here for free and yeah, just test the markets and so on. If you want to fund your account, you just click on deposit fund. I will do this and show you how it works. You just have to choose your trading account and then you can choose the deposit method here, like credit cards, bank transfers, crypto, and some e-wallets. It's basically like this. And if you want to withdraw your money, it looks like the same menu. You choose your payment method and withdraw your money there. The withdrawals are quite fast. In between 24 hours up to 2 days maximum, they send you the money. If you need some support from the broker, they have a 24/7 support. They have a live chat, they have phone numbers, and they have email support, and they have account managers, so personal support managers in their brokerage. So the support is quite nice here, and it's also super fast. If you use the chat or just call them, they directly help you with everything. Here again, if you go on platforms, you see all the platforms that are available here. They have a personalized app, they have TradingView, CTrader, they have the MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. You can download these platforms easily here in the customer dashboard. So overall, I didn't found anything really bad about FP trading. I used this broker for multiple months, traded there with high volume, and it worked perfectly fine. You saw the spreads, they are super tight. So if you're using FP trading, you save a lot of money when trading with them. Plus, you get high leverage, you get access to all the platforms. You have no restrictions in trading. All the trading strategies are allowed that are available. You can use scalping, day trading, swing trading, whatever you want on this brokerage as a retail trader, and they will not stop you. If you want to join and create an account, the account creating process is done in like 5 minutes and you are ready to trade. Deposits, withdrawals are working very fast. There are no additional fees to it, like deposit fees or withdrawal fees. It's completely for free. You can deposit directly instantly in your trading account. The withdrawals are fast. I tested it myself. And if you need support from this brokerage, you have a 24/7 support. So overall, I can give this brokerage a very good rating, and I didn't find anything bad about them. If you want to join FP Trading now and you don't have any account and want to save some money, use the link in the description below or scan this QR code here. Then you will save up to 50 cents per one lot trade on the commission side, and you save just more money when you trade actively on this brokerage. Thank you for watching. We will see us in the next review video, and goodbye.